Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to show you how to customize your Instagram algorithm. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest available version. Once you're ready, open Instagram and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Content Preferences. Then tap on Your Algorithm. Here, Instagram will show you a summary of the topics and interests it believes you enjoy based on your recent activity. In the section where you can manage what you want to see more of, you can tap on any topic to view related posts. If you prefer to see less content about a certain topic, you can move it to the See Less category. You can also remove an interest completely if you no longer want that type of content to appear in your feed. To add new interests, tap Add under either category and type the topics you want to see more or less of. After entering a topic, tap the arrow to add it. You can repeat the same process to add multiple interests. Once you've finished making your changes, refresh your Instagram feed and Instagram will gradually adjust the content you see based on your preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to customize your Instagram algorithm.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!